also to let you know, like,
of them being done by white people in this country.
Today we have begun the purge. The purge begins. On this bridge, using 2 lanes basically.
Mississippi 26 West for 3/4.
This is a Texas gas station.
That's just one road.
Meet Bucky. It's got everything. Bye, Bucky.
I like it because it's so bare bones. It's different, but it's kind of simple.
What do you mean? A couple of cats. Oh, okay. That's what sets us apart from everybody. We don't.
Yeah.
So that top comes with the AC. Here's your refrigerator. Oh wow, they put underground.
Nice.
Light strip I was telling you about. The other one. Backup camera on this one installed. Let's see this again. Double check.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing the battery box.
Safe level.
On the rear camera.
Yeah, it flips out.
In this $2 trillion tax cut that went to the very wealthiest, less than 1% in this country, to corporations, that ended the individual mandate and will ensure that 1 million more of our fellow Texans will not have insurance, will not be able to see a doctor, will cause premiums for those lucky enough to have health care to go up $1,700 on average. What if we extended broadband internet to rural Texas? Try finishing your online degree in Johnson City or Blanco or Decatur. Try starting an internet-based business. Try finding a date on Tinder in those communities if you cannot get online.
I just watched and enjoyed it.
A little bit, like, make you look, imagine a deck.
Compound mixed with wood chip. All the interior from whatever a spring.
These are what?
Checks all the boxes.
Other trotters. You could build something. Then
On the
Okay.
check. And here's why you're gonna need the brake controller and that fuse. Because your interior light's gonna work on that charge wire. Okay? So you can turn them on and off at the light, or you just use this switch.
Right.
Okay.
All right, good to know.
It's good.
All right, let's see. Oh, so that brake thing you were saying, how would that operate here? What does that just mean? That's something they do in the brakes in this vehicle?
They're gonna give you a control box.
Control box.
Okay. Nah, I don't believe you have it. Let's take a look.
All right.
Sometimes they put them in. Mine had the.
What was that?
But what it's going to be a small box, and I'll ask you where you want to mount it.
Okay.
You can't mount it this way. That's the only because they're inertia driven. So they'll have to have, probably under the dash. You can maybe put it here. They'll tell you, look, man, this is the best place for it. What you don't want is for it to be hitting y'all on your knee when it's in your way.
Yeah.
But then it's got a digital readout and probably a thumb, a wheel. And your intervals are from 0 to 10. So when you're not loaded on your trailer, you can use the lower setting. When you're fully loaded, you want to know time. So what that does, all 4 tires will brake. Both axles have brakes on both tires. That'll save your discs on this side.
Right.
Plus, it'll help you stop when you've got a heavy load on.
Yeah. Okay.
So I recommend you talk to Bo or Mark. They can. It's probably going to be around $300.
Yeah.
With tax and all installed, but it's worth it. And get the kind that they'll tell you where you can take it and put it on another vehicle should you get another.
Right.
The only thing that would stay is the harness.
Okay.
You have to get a new harness. But that's
Got
it.
it.
You've already got the expensive part. Well, so pull right
Can we pull
here.
forward a little bit?
Yeah, pull right here and we'll get you your ticket printed for you.
I want to watch.
Okay, you're locked.
Locked?
Yeah.
Cool. The only thing you gotta worry about is pulling the tongue off of it with this Honda Ridgeline, man. Yeah, so much power.
Too much power, right?
That's right.
That's it. We know.